When it comes to digital inspections, you always think about courtesy inspections on vehicles that are in for repairs. Well, let me ask you something. Why can't they be used for used cars? So check out these clips and let's talk about it afterwards. Here are some of the used car inspection types that I suggest. The initial checkout. When you put the vehicle up in the air and you check it to see if you're going to sell it or wholesale it, record that. If you decide to keep and recondition that vehicle, use an inspection to record what you do. And lastly, I suggest that you have an appraisal inspection. Help the customer understand what you did to give them the value that they're going to trade it in at. So let's see how these inspections make us look at used cars in a different way. We know that OEM shops can certify their used cars. And the process that they use to do that is basically pencil and paper. What I'm suggesting here is you may not have the OEM backing, but instead of using paper that could be pencil whipped, use a digital inspection to show the customer what that vehicle has. When you take the vehicle apart to see if you're going to keep it, record that initial checkout by using a digital inspection. And the digital inspections can be made as long or in depth as you want them to be. You want to be sure that that inspection shows everything about the condition of the vehicle when it comes in, taking notes, recommendations, and pictures that you can share. And take this time to note the exact condition the vehicle is in by taking measurements of tires and brakes. Show them the suspension, which is something buyers never get to see. And you'll be using the tablet to record all this so that it'll all be on the inspection when it's time. Now, if you choose not to keep the vehicle and you wholesale it, well, this inspection that we just did can be used to be sent out to either the large wholesaler or auction place that you use, or like some dealerships I've worked in where they do their own. You can send it out to your normal people that come by and check it out, and they can actually predetermine the value of the vehicles that they want to bid on. Also, the inspections can be used as a sales tool in this time where we don't want to be too close to each other. Customer expresses an interest in a vehicle, you send the inspection to them via text, they look at it on their phone, and know what? They may see enough at that point and say, we're going to buy this. And when they do purchase it, then they come in and pick it up. And you can also use an inspection on that day to record the happiness of that customer picking up the vehicle by taking a picture of them next to their vehicle, and that will always be on the inspections that you send to them. And then the vehicle appraisals. You know, a lot of times you just disappear and then you come back with a price. I'm suggesting here using an inspection where you go over the vehicle and do some basic pictures, interior, exterior, dents and all that stuff, and then you provide it with the customer as showing where you got the value from. So used cars and digital inspection, a match made in heaven? Well, maybe, but here's the thing I want you to know is that these will build value in those used cars that you sell. Imagine everything I've explained to you and the fact that you can send them direct to customers or even people that are coming to auctions so they can actually see everything they need to know about that vehicle before they pick it up. So used cars and inspections, not a bad idea, huh?